Forgot your Gmail password? Here's how to recover it easily. First, open your mobile settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. This is where all your Google account services are managed. Next, click on All Services and then select Autofill with Google. This feature stores passwords you've saved to your Google account. Tap on Google Password Manager. Search for google.com in the list of saved websites. To view your password, you'll need to enter your lock screen, PIN, or biometric authentication. Once unlocked, tap the eye icon to reveal your Gmail password. If you want to use it somewhere else, click on the copy icon to copy the password directly. And that's it! You've successfully retrieved your Gmail password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.